Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and I just wanted to start off this video by saying I know a lot of this is basically in my last video, which was how to do an installation to an Audi A3 with ambient lighting. Now check that video out if you haven't seen it already. The reason why I put this video together is because I wanted to help out others with regards to looking to take off their door cards off their Audi A3. This will be a little bit easier to search. The title obviously is different, and it's not just about the ambient light install, but more about removing the door cards. I struggled with this. I was very nervous about doing it when I first did it, and that learning curve was worth it for me because now I can share that information with you. I know there's no other videos about this online at the moment, so I hope this video is helpful. And if you do find it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But let's jump into the rest of the video. So everyone, I've got the missus behind the camera for me, which is gonna be really helpful right now because it's always hard to film these kind of things. So I've not seen anyone do a video on how to remove a door card for this generation of an Audi A3, so I thought I would do that. I've already kind of played around with the rear door and the other front passenger door, so I thought it'd be a good example to do it on the driver's door because that also has a few extra steps that you would probably need to take. The one thing I want to show right now is this panel is the speaker cover just here. This is one of the important panels that you need to remove. The reason why I want to show this one is because it gives you an idea of the areas that we're trying to get to. So there's 3 tabs just over here, and you got the 2 tabs over here, and then these 3 are slit in at the front. So as you can see, we need to pull it out from here and then be able to slide it all out. It is a bit tricky. Obviously when you're doing it now, it's a bit easier because you can see where these 3 are, but when you're doing it for the first time, you can kind of use this as a blueprint or an example of just roughly where to go. There's 3 bolts that hold the door card on the door. They're all T25s, I think they are. And once you get those 3 off, there's 2 behind here and 1 just under here, just in the door card area. So right, so I'm just using a couple of trim removal tools. So I'm just going to undo the one under here. They are quite long bolts, by the way, so take your time. There you go, that's that one off. And then to remove this one, you got to kind of get in behind it all. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from this corner over here. Again, looking at this, you know there's one just over here. Kind of bend that a little bit now. There we go, that's 1. Popped up. 2. 3. These ones are a bit harder to get to, but there we go. So you slide that off, and then you got 2 screws just back in through here. So you got the one here and the other one here. Okay, and then using this trim removal tool, or whichever trim removal tool you have, I'd start from the bottom. This just makes life a lot easier. Now I think there is another silver like little trim piece over here, but right, from here you want to kind of move the whole door card up and down, side to side. There you go, the left side is kind of coming off.
Clearly he didn't have lunch.
Didn't have Weetabix for breakfast, that's what it is. There we go. this here, you gotta lift it, this white part here, and it pulls the whole thing off. This was the bit that was kind of being hard to pull off. I think for that, you probably just have to yank it towards you, because the thing goes in there. So yeah, I think you have to pull this part towards you, and that's it. That's how you remove the door card of a 2021 Audi A3. It's pretty much the same for the rear doors as well. The only difference is that clip there is a different style clip, but literally other than that, it's exact same. And literally to put it back on, it's pretty much the same. Just put it all back together first, line it up, jimmy it down, or just push it back into place. Just make sure that with this part up here and this part of the door card, you hook it over. You can kind of see how it curves a little bit over here. Because if you don't do that, it's not going to sit flush at the top, so you got to make sure you do that at the top there. Getting the door handle put in correctly onto the door handle there, and just connect that wire up. But yeah, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and also leave me a comment if I could have done anything differently, or if there's anything in particular that you would like to see. But yeah, for now, thank you very much. Peace out. Bye.